You sit down to work, open your laptop, and suddenly you're checking your phone, cleaning your desk, or watching just one video. Sounds familiar? That's procrastination, your brain's sneaky way of avoiding discomfort. It's not that you're lazy. It's that your brain wants short-term pleasure instead of long-term rewards. But here's the secret. Start with something small. Just tell yourself, I'll do this for 2 minutes. Once you start, momentum builds. Action creates motivation, the other way around. We procrastinate because our brains hate uncertainty. When a task feels big or unclear, we freeze. It's not a lack of discipline, it's fear disguised as laziness. The trick? Break your goal into the smallest possible step. Don't write an essay, just write one sentence. Once you begin, your brain realizes it's not so scary after all. Remember, clarity kills procrastination. The smaller the step, the easier it is to start. When you procrastinate, your brain isn't broken, it's protecting you. It wants to keep you safe from stress and failure. That's why you scroll instead of starting. But avoiding the task only increases stress later. The solution? Replace avoidance with action. Try the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll work for only 5 minutes. Most times, you'll keep going once you start. Your brain just needs proof that starting isn't dangerous. Every time you check your phone or social media, you get a quick hit of dopamine, your brain's reward chemical. Work, on the other hand, gives no instant reward, so your brain avoids it. To beat this, flip the script. Give yourself small rewards for progress. A short break, a snack, or music after finishing a task. You can train your brain to enjoy productivity the same way it enjoys scrolling. Procrastination disappears when you make starting easy. The 2-minute rule says, if something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. And if a big task feels overwhelming, just spend 2 minutes beginning it. Write the first line. Open the doc.